Due for change na ba imo ang engine filter and you don't know how to change it? Don't worry, I got you. Ipalit ko og new engine filter and it cost me 1,629 pesos and 36 centavos. So, gipalit ko ni sa Toyota mismo. But, if ganahan ka mas cheaper, please click the yellow basket. So, I'll teach you how to change it. Let's go! First, of course, turn off your car. And then, open your hood. So, kanisiya. Next, of course, open your hood. Kung makita ninyo siya, diri nakasulod ang ato ang engine filter. So all you have to do is open this up. Nakakita mo aning metal nga part. So open, 2, 3. Lastly, kani ikaupat. Then open. Remove this one. Open your new engine filter and place it inside. And then of course, lock in place lang dayon. 2, 3, and 4 sa likod. That's it. Thank you for watching. Until next time. Bye!